Welcome Dilip and all esteemed user to my first video on Dilip. First I want to say my mother language is not English. That's why I have some problem on speak. Please cooperate with me. Thank you. Welcome on my Steam blog. My Steam blog name is BSD. When you visit my blog, then you will get some post on my blog. Already I did share some post for free Bitcoin earning. First I want to say when I decide any site for work, first I do check her site payment group, really Alexa rank, SU quality, website location, website owner location, website owner contact. Then I do recommend the site for free earning or invest my visitor. So you can check my post, every post for different site. Look at this new free Bitcoin mining site with payment group. Yes, from the site I already get some. So obviously you will get your payment from the site. So you can work with the site. If you want to do work with the site, so check my post. Then Bitcoin deep game. Yes, best free Bitcoin deep game with Fuset. You can earn from the site by playing Fuset and play role high or low, and you can earn from referral. Then you will get what is the best Bitcoin wallet online. Most secure trusted multi-crypto wallet in the post I did share. If you need this, so must seek my post. Best free Bitcoin cloud mining site. I hope you know you can find many cloud mining sites from online, but 98% cloud mining site will be scam because the site owner can do this easily. So be careful for work with cloud mining. But I would say in the post I will share some cloud mining the, from the site. Already I get some payment. So obviously you get your payment from the site. So you can work with cloud mining site. Yes, this is the my favorite post because when you work with site, you do not get payment instant. But if you want to get instant payment, so you can visit my post because I did share some site. The site pay her user instant payment. That's why do not need wait for your getting payment. Telegram. Telegram is a most popular uh, chatting apps. Somebody created some bot for earn free Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency. Already, if you do use Telegram, so you can save my post for top 20 plus Telegram bot list. By the bot, you can earn free Bitcoin. Or if you do not use Telegram, so you can start using Telegram and start your earning. If you want to do this, so visit my. Yes, look at this. This is one of the big post because if you see on the image, then you will see this is one of the best big earning method for free. Yes, this is real, 100% real. You can earn from trading site. How to earn free Bitcoin cryptocurrency from trading site? Yes, you can earn from trading site free Bitcoin without trading or investment. If you want to know how, so obviously check my Bitcoin trading site. Make sense and buy or sell your Bitcoin. Exactly. If you want to buy Bitcoin or sell Bitcoin, or if you do like trading with Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies, so must check my post. I do share some my idea in the post about trading Bitcoin. Best Bitcoin cloud site. Yes, if you want to invest on Bitcoin, so obviously you can try on mining because mining is one of the most real way for earning Bitcoin. If you want to know what is Bitcoin mining, what is Bitcoin cloud mining, and how many way have for Bitcoin, so check my post. Make BTC with BTC. Yes, this is so simple. Anyway, if you want to earn free Bitcoin simply, so you can visit my post. You can earn free Bitcoin by viewing it. How to get free Bitcoin? Best free Bitcoin earning website list here. Yes, I did share some best trusted popular free Bitcoin earning site. If you want to get this, so must be check my post. How to earn Bitcoin? Bitcoin earning review. Yes, how many we have online for free Bitcoin earning? If you want to know that, so check out my post. Already I say you, this is my first video for daily stream service. If you want to visit my daily channel, so if you want to visit my daily channel, so you can visit from the blog. This already I do include link on the blog header my clip channel. You can open my clip channel from here with open a new tab. Then you come on my clip channel. This is new channel and this is my first video. If you want to get my next update for free Bitcoin earning or Bitcoin earning investment, so obviously follow me. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, so obviously upload this video and share with your friend. Thank you very much. Have a good best of luck.